I'm Ty, and this is a quick guide to Hallam's halls of residence. Hallam guarantees first year accommodation, and its halls are home to thousands of students every year. We'll take you through the locations, facilities, interiors and prices, and even show you a few of Sheffield's best bits along the way. Not everybody wants the same thing. You can use our website to find an accommodation that fits your taste, budget and needs. You can even specify your must-have features like ensuite bathrooms, wheelchair access or bike storage. You'll also find pictures that will give you a better idea of each hall's style and character. Flashy or simple, high-rise or low-rise, private or shared, we've got it all. Our halls are never more than a 30-minute walk from campus, and in some cases they're less than 2 minutes away. Because both campuses are close together, it doesn't matter if your day is split between the two. If you can't walk or would prefer not to, it's over to Sheffield's brilliant public transport network. Loads of buses go by both campuses, and City Campus is moments from tram and rail stations. Let's talk prices. Hallam has some of the best value student accommodation in the country, with rent starting at about £90 a week. Even our top of the range halls are really competitive. Prices include utility bills, insurance and internet, making it much easier to manage your budget. And with Sheffield's low cost of living, a little extra cash can go a long way. All of Hallam's halls are furnished, so whichever hall you choose, you'll have everything you need to make yourself at home. There's always a kitchen and communal space where you can get together, make new friends and have a laugh. So depending on your choice, you may get a cinema room, gym, pool table or outside space where you can have a barbecue. You also have access to support staff, so there's always someone you can talk to if you have well-being or security issues. If you want to do some more research, we've got photos, maps and more on the website. You can also apply for the halls you want online. If you want to see one of our halls in person, come to an open day. You'll also be able to see more of Sheffield and explore the university.